To find the root of this quadratic equation, we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and here we check that the value of a is 2 and value of b is 13 and value of c is 21. And we know that to find the root of any quadratic equation, we have to find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So it is the formula to find the discriminant. So when we put the value of a, b and c in this formula, then it becomes square of 13 minus 4 into 2 into 21. So square of 13 is 169 and minus 4 into 2 into 21 is 168. Therefore discriminant is 169 minus 168, that is 1. So discriminant is 1. Now the discriminant is greater than 0, therefore two real roots are exist and they are different, and we have to find both of them. And we know that both roots are minus b plus minus root d over 2a. So there are two roots. The first root is called alpha and second is called beta, and formula for alpha is minus b plus root d over 2a, and second root is beta, that is minus b minus root d over 2a. So firstly we solve the first one, that is alpha. So for alpha it is minus b is 13 and d is 1, therefore root d is root 1 over 2a, a is 2, so 2 into 2. So minus 13 and root of 1 is 1, therefore it become minus 13 plus 1 over 4, that is 2 into 2, 4. So it is minus 12 over 4 and the alpha is minus 3. And now we find the second root, that is beta, that is minus b minus root d over 2a. So minus 13 minus root 1 over 2a is 2 into 2. So it is minus 13 minus 1 over 2 to is 4. So it is minus 14 over 4. So after cutting, beta become minus 7 over 2. Therefore two root of this quadratic equations are minus 3 and minus 7 over 2.